On 17 October 2020, information was received that vehicular mishap occurred at Sonapur National Highway 6 East Jaintia Hills, in which one truck bearing the registration number AS01CC6701 carrying online items had a mechanical breakdown and the vehicle was parked on the roadside National Highway 6 with no occupant inside. Later, one vehicle bearing registration number BR04J 8503 coming from the same direction dashed against the aforesaid truck and both the trucks rolled down the deep gorge about 250 to 300 feet deep. Immediately, a police team from Umkiang Patrolling Post and Cleariat led by DSP Crime in charge Umkiang Patrolling Post rushed to the spot to look for and rescue survivors. On reaching the spot from where the trucks went down, it was almost vertical and impossible to scale down. However, considering the possibility that there may be survivors, the police team was undeterred and instead looked for an alternate route to reach the two trucks at the bottom of the gorge. They then trekked from the alternate route near Sonapur Bridge and after about 3 hours, they could reach the crash site. And after a thorough search for another hour in and around the crash site, they could not locate any bodies or survivors. However, they located one truck which was in a completely mangled condition. Then, being dark and the forest being thick, the search was called off and the State Emergency Response Team SERT was called from Shillong. The SERT team reached the spot in the morning and began descending in the search for survivors. However, at about 11 a.m., one person, namely Motiu Raman, appeared at Umkiang Patrolling Post. He later turned out to be the driver of one of the trucks bearing registration number AS01CC6701 that went down. He narrated that he was the driver of the said truck and stated that his truck coming from Silchar dashed to the one stationary truck at Sonapur with no occupants inside, and both the trucks then rolled down the gorge. However, maybe the dead was taking a vacation that day and he miraculously jumped from the truck while it was rolling down and sustained only minor injuries. He then, out of panic, boarded another truck from the highway and went home till he reported at Umkiang this morning.